Soph and Hollie. We make educational videos just for you that are fun and exciting. Hope you enjoy this amazing adventure and don't forget to subscribe. Oh, I'm feeling so hot.
Me too. I'm thirsty.
Me too.
I want a smoothie. Yeah, go get it.
Yes, great idea. Let's begin
Making smoothies.
Yay! Banana. We need to chop up the fruits now. Ask an adult to help you chop it up. Using a knife can be very dangerous. We chopped up all the fruit. Strawberries,
Pineapple. And this is banana. Kiwi.
and peaches. What would you like in your smoothie?
Strawberries.
And maybe another one?
And banana.
I would really like to take these as well. You'll also need some milk. I think that's enough because you're only going to make one glass. Now the bananas. That's enough. Now for the ice. Pour some milk in. Wee.
Pink, my favorite.
You've got to change the straw. It's really good. Now we're going to make another one with 3 types of fruit. Kiwi, banana, and peach. Now let's add some ice.
That was loud.
The next one we'll use some strawberry yogurt, some strawberries, and some pineapple. We already put the ice in.
That's amazing.
For the last smoothie, we're going to use some kiwi, some banana, and with a splash of milk. Okay, we're done. Let's take them outside and drink them. Wow, they really came nice. Would you like to try them?
Yes, I chose this.
I'm going to choose this. Oh, this is lovely.
It's good.
I really liked it.
Me too.
Hope you enjoyed this video.
Yeah.